Welcome everybody. Cobra Daytona build coming at you again. So people have been asking for a complete walk around of the car, so that's what I'm gonna get you. I came down here near the beach, figured I'd give you a complete walk around. Car's still not totally done. I just got an engine cover I'm gonna try to modify. So I got some things I gotta do. Still need to cut and buff the paint a little more. Not quite there yet, but let me show you what you got. So here's the car. Yeah, the sun is not ideal here. It's more of a sunrise type spot, but you can see the paint turned out really nice, but you'll still need some cutting and buffing. So I'll show you here on the wheels. Wire tied, the knockoffs. So I definitely need to paint the brake calipers. As you can see, the red and the orange doesn't go good, so I'm probably gonna paint those blue eventually. We'll see. So for the rear, I'll show you something I did here. So here, I've actually took some flat black car wrap and cut that out to fit into here, so it gives that more depth. As you can see, I think it looks pretty good. Looks pretty mean. So still waiting on the rear hatch seal here. And sorry about my shadows. I said I'm no videographer, but you can see. So now the car is in its glory here. Yeah, as you can see here with the sun, the red calipers, the orange, yeah, it doesn't quite cut it. So blue would look good, look badass. So you can see here, I still got some crap on the paint. It needs to be cleaned. As I said, it's not ideal, but I just wanted to get a quick, run around on the car. And throw this video up tonight, so just so everybody can see what's going on. Maybe I'll do a more in-depth video down the road. So we'll leave it at that for today. I'll throw this up and just a quick little, around the car, that you guys can see exactly what I've done since the garage picture I put up. There's really not much to it, but now you kind of get an idea of, what we're looking at here. So I think the thing turned out amazing. I love the wheels. Yeah, I think the other wheels are sold, by the way, so if you're interested in those, I think they're gone. But thank you. So appreciate it. We're gonna throw more videos up, not a whole lot. It's probably mostly driving now, but I said I am working on the Coyote, the Gen 3 cover. I got a Gen 1 cover, and I'm gonna see if I can modify to fit and then make something to go over the coil covers. I'm not sure yet, but as I said, we'll work on getting that Gen 3 Coyote polished up a little bit, make that motor look a little bit nicer. Paul on the forum, he's done a great job with his. His looks amazing. I'm gonna do a little bit different, but we'll see how it turns out. So play around with that. As I said, then just gotta finish polishing the paint, get some gaskets in, seals, and this thing should be ready to go. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and hopefully the next video will be from an autocross or maybe the Factory 5 drive-in this weekend. So thanks again, and hit subscribe.